Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm just trying to be a little bit quiet because Aaron is still sleeping and it is quite early. If you watch my last video where I left off, it was a little bit dark, so I wasn't able to finish the rest of my video, and I checked the weather forecast and it said it was going to be sunny this morning but not for long, so I wanted to film and make the most of the weather. So what I'm going to be sharing with you today is trying to remove my nails and then washing my makeup brushes with you as well. If there is anything else at all that you can think of that you'd like me to do while we're all stuck here in isolation, then let me know as well, as I'm sure there's a few fun things that we can do together. I think another thing that I want to do is bake some cookies with you. I have been uploading the cookies that I have been baking to my stories, and I have been getting a lot of inquiries about the recipe for those ones as well. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so I've just gotten changed, and as you can see I've got my little setup there. So I've got two bowls. One has shampoo and warm water and the other one has just plain water, and I've got a little towel there as well. And what I'm going to do is rinse my brushes in the shampoo water first, then in the plain water, and then let them dry on the towel. Now I don't have many brushes there, I'm just going to wash the ones that I'm using on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so I've just finished washing my makeup brushes and I'm just going to let them dry there for a little bit. Now I'm going to attempt to do my nails. So that concludes today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed this style of video, then please let me know by liking this video. And if you're not yet subscribed, then please do. It would mean so much to me. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day and are staying safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.